Hi children. Next, what is Albert spheroid? What is meant by Albert spheroid? We can know, children. However, the Earth is flat at the poles and slightly bulging in the center. Slightly bulging in the center. If you see the orange, it will be bulging at the center. That actual shape of the Earth is Albert spheroid. That is known as Albert spheroid. To make a detailed study about the Earth, scientists must be able to see it completely. So a model of a Earth was prepared. So we don't know, no children, how the Earth will be. So they have created a model. They have created how the Earth will be. For detailed studies for scientists and all, they don't know how the Earth will be. No. So they have created one model that is known as globe. They completely can see the Earth. They can see the Earth. So they have created the globe. Okay. To make a detailed study about the Earth, scientists must be able to see its complete. So a model of a Earth was prepared. This is called the globe. It is a klipka of the Earth. Klipka means look like. It's look like a Earth drawn to scale. It shows the location of continents, oceans, countries, and also some big cities. To make it look real, the globe is fixed to an axis that passes through its centers. This axis titled an angle of 23.5 degree, but even a globe present only half of the Earth from one side. Okay children, because of detailed studies of scientists, they have created the model of globe. It will look, it shows the continents, oceans, countries and big cities to make it real, to look like a real, the globe is fixed to an axis. An axis passes through the center. The axis passes through the center. This axis titled and 23 point of degree. Even the globe presents only half of the Earth from the one side. It presents only half of the Earth from one side. We shall study about the globe in detail. What is globe? I told you children, it is a model. It is a model to know, the scientists want to know completely about oceans, continents, country and some big cities. So they have done a model. It looked like a Earth.